Hello students, today we will talk about alternative theory of group development. According to this, group development proceeds on 4 stages: mutual acceptance, communication and decision making, motivation and productivity, control and organization. Then first of all, mutual acceptance. This stage is very important and the critical stage of group development, in which the members of the group share information about themselves. ठीक है, एक दूसरे के बारे में जानकारी देते हैं. They come to know each other. They also discuss these subjects which have no direct connection with their objectives, such as politics. ठीक है, मतलब कि उनसे रिलेटेड नहीं है. ठीक है, नो डायरेक्ट कनेक्शन विद एनी ऑब्जेक्टिव. फिर भी कौन से हैं ऐसे सब्जेक्ट्स की डिस्कशन होती है उन पे? पॉलिटिक्स, ठीक है, वेदर, प्राइस राइज, कीमतें बढ़ रही है. ठीक है, देन स्पोर्ट्स के बारे में हो गया, जैसे क्रिकेट में क्या चल रहा है. ठीक है, या फिर कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स चल रही हैं, कौन सी गेम्स चल रही हैं. तो यूजुअली हमारे प्रोफेशन से नहीं भी जुड़ा है तो हम उस ऑब्जेक्टिव से हट के दूसरी चीज़ों के बारे में भी डिस्कशन करते हैं. और रिसेंट इवेंट्स विद इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. Such discussions provide the right type of atmosphere and members are fully acquainted with one another. Through such formal and informal discussions, they come to know the attitude of the other members of the group. तो discussions दोनों तरह की हो सकती हैं, formal भी और informal भी. They come to know the attitude of other members of the group. Once they come to know one another intimately, they may start discussing sensitive issues. देखो, पहले तो फॉर्मल ही होता है. ठीक है, फिर थोड़ा धीरे धीरे करके इनफॉर्मल हो जाता है रिलेशनशिप. एंड हम ऑफिशियल चीज़ों के अलावा इनफॉर्मली भी रिलेट करने लग जाते हैं. ठीक है, तो डिस्कस कर लेते हैं अदर देन ऑब्जेक्टिव भी चीज़ें. दे ऑल्सो एक्सप्लोर वन अनदर्स व्यू on various issues. They also discuss their expectations in order to make the business of group extremely fruitful and beneficial. For the organization, when their discussions become serious, they move on the next stage of the development. Okay, you get mutual acceptance. Second one is communication and decision making. This is a very important and meaningful stage of group development process. In this stage, members freely discuss their feelings. They also agree on the group goals and the individual roles in the group. They also show more tolerance for conflicting views and explore different ideas to bring them about a reasonable solution on decision. In other words, we can say that during this stage, certain norms of behavior are established. Different members are assigned different roles and tasks to achieve the objectives. Then motivation and productivity. In this stage, the whole emphasis shifts away from the individual to the group. As a whole, members cooperate and actively help others to accomplish their goals. The members are highly motivated and may carry out their activities creatively. In this stage, the group is accomplishing its work. It is moving towards the final stage of development. Next one is control and organization. In this final stage, the group works effectively towards accomplishing its goals. Tasks are assigned by mutual agreement and according to ability. In a mature group, the members' activities are relatively spontaneous and flexible. Mature groups evaluate their activities and take corrective actions if necessary. It must be pointed out here that flexibility, spontaneity, and self correction are essential characteristics to make the group extremely productive and last longing. Not all the groups go through 4 stages of development. Some groups disband before reaching the final stage. Others may skip certain stage because of pressure from leaders or deadlines. Group productivity, however, depends on successful development at each stage. A group that evolves fully through the 4 stages of development will become a mature and effective group. Its members will be interdependent, coordinated, cooperative, competent, motivated, and in active communication with वन अनदर. ठीक है, एक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन की बात कर रहे हैं हम. One important thing is that nothing is compulsory about these two models of group development because there is only a difference of name of stages, otherwise they are similar to each other. Okay, both models. लाइक फॉर्मिंग हो गया, तो फॉर्मिंग जब हमने स्टेज की थी तो यहाँ हम म्यूचुअल एक्सेप्टेंस कह रहे हैं, दोनों सिमिलर हैं. इसी तरह अगर स्टॉर्मिंग की बात करें, स्टॉर्मिंग स्टेज की, तो कम्युनिकेशन डिसीजन मेकिंग के सिमिलर है. नेक्स्ट अगर नॉर्मिंग की बात करें तो वो ये पैरेलल है मोटिवेशन एंड प्रोडक्टिविटी के. एंड परफॉर्मिंग कंट्रोल एंड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के पैरेलल है. ऑल द 4 stages ऑफ बोथ द मॉडल्स आर ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर. ठीक है, तो ये हो गए सारे. अगर अल्टरनेटिव थ्योरी की बात कर रहे थे हम, ये हो गए स्टेजेस. ओके, थैंक यू.